If y'all hear some noise, it's because I got my fan on, and guess who ain't turning it off? It's me.
Tell me, when does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting? Used to be fine with no destination. Honestly, now I'm damn sick of it.
So it's never out of season for bobs for me. I love a good bob. I love a healthy bob. I love a good swinging bob. I love a bob that is not stiff. Hence, it's why I had to get a new one, because my old one had got a little rough on the kid. Okay, so this is the new unit that I got from So Good BB, and it is from the line or the company Everywhere. Where with the play on the word. And let's read some facts about a girl, because I gotta hurry up because my I got that much storage. Okay, so it was a frontal, it has ear to ear lace. I cut the lace off or whatever. I ain't glued nothing down because y'all know my head is too big and I don't need to do all that because it ain't going anywhere. Okay, it was pre-plucked. It has little baby hairs up here, and it is high heat resistant fiber. So this is a human hair blend. This is the color in, I think it's 1. Yeah, this is the color 1. Let's see, this is called Every 3. Don't know what that means, but it's everything. Okay, so you can heat this up to 400. This feels absolutely amazing. It feels so good, super dense. Yeah, I mean, and you can straighten it. You know, it needs to be straightened. But guess what time it is? It's late. And who finna straighten what for what reason? Not me. But anyway, so yeah, this is really cute. I love this. I love how it fits. It's snug on my head. You know, it could be a little bit bigger, a little less snug, but I'm good with that. Cause ain't nobody finna take no wig off my head for sure. Y'all, I'm just looking at the police over here. But anyway, yeah, so go ahead, sit back and watch the video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Reason for nothing at all. Nothing at all. Fooling around with you don't feel the same at all. This is the lane I'm reminding, no regrets at all. Something that's been on my mind for some time before. Stressing out, how will I tell you what I'm feeling now? Am I being selfish or just being honest now? Messy or reckless, yeah, I do not know, but this I am sure it ain't gonna be the same no more. I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back and face the pain alone. Yeah, I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Tell me, when does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting? Used to be fine with no destination. Honestly, now I'm damn sick of it. Looking up, trying to touch the surface. Am I breaking through? No, it's just the same old. We be here waiting for a moment. Think it's clear that ain't never coming. Yeah, lately I'm silent, I'm seeing a lot of you. Can't figure why I'm not missing a lot of you. Am I being selfish or just being honest now? Messy or reckless, yeah, I do not know, but this I am sure. It ain't gon' be the same no more. I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back and face the pain alone. Yeah, I gotta fall back. We getting off track. Ooh, I gotta fall back and face the pain alone.
Happy seem like a lost emotion.
Yeah.
Gotten used to being so complacent. Seen the weather change, but I'm staying frozen. I can't move till the path is chosen. Bear me up from the depths I've fallen. Let me go, we'll both keep living. Don't be feared.
Ooh, I'm sorry guys. So that is it for this this wig try on out of the box haul / try on from So Good BB. I love this wig. I don't know what I'm gonna name her. I was thinking about, I don't know, something like Ella, something like that, I don't know, but she's cute, she's simple, she's low maintenance. Just a little straightening in the back for the little parts that flipped up because that's tired. But yeah, I'm here for it. I love it. So I hope you guys like this wig, and I hope that I get many wears out of this. Like I said, it's not too thick, so hopefully when it starts to get old, it doesn't do too much damage or whatever, and I can kind of maintain it for a little while. But my eyes are watery, so I gotta go because no. So I love y'all and thank y'all so much for catching up with me on this video. And if you guys want to see more wig try-ons, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a later video. All right, love y'all. Mwah.